want money.
Good morning. Thanks for joining me. I'm Lucier with Preferred Tax Solutions. I wanted to touch on another COVID-based business expense issue. So normally, if you work from home, you would get a T-2200 from your employer, which is a form that allows you to write off business expenses. These are expenses such as your rent or your mortgage interest, part of your utilities, any supplies that you've utilized to work from home, any computer expenses, a portion of your internet expenses and cell phone if that's required for you to do your job. Now, what has happened during the COVID pandemic is a number of businesses have initiated work from home for all of their employees, or most of, and this can be ongoing because we don't know what's going to happen with the pandemic. So if you are working from home, I do recommend that you keep all of your receipts. It's better to have too much and not be able to utilize something than to not have something and be scrounging around trying to figure out how you're going to get backup for it in case of an audit. You do still have to have backup for those expenses. However, there is no requirement now based on CRA's determination to have a contract change saying that you have to work from home because of the COVID pandemic. They have not yet changed regulations about the form T-2200, so you do have to be in communication with your employer to ensure that they're willing to give you that form. Now, if you only work from home for a certain period of time, we would just ensure that the dates on the T-2200 form from your employer are correct based on the time that you were working from home. You then can utilize any expenses, costs, and home office expenses for that period of time. So again, always make sure that you talk to your professional, have a discussion about this because you want to be able to utilize those costs. You're not using your employer's office, their supplies, their costs, their computer, their telephone. You're incurring those costs on your own, and those should make the income that you're earning that portion on non-taxable. So if you've earned a significant amount of money from home, we would utilize those costs to offset that income to make your tax bill lower. Make sure you keep those costs and make sure that you talk to a professional. Again, I'm Lucier. I hope you're all well. I'm with Preferred Tax Solutions, and this TV7.ca.
I want money.